Good morning. We're feeding chickens this morning. Come in, see? This guy's trying to come out. Look, look. Zoom in, come in close. Come. Oh, these guys. Oh, wow. There. Here, just in case. Let me put this inside here. And we get some water. Excuse me. There. Do you like my chicken apron? Isn't it cute? Hello, my name is Rose and welcome to our family DIYs channel. My husband and I decided to raise 60 Meat King chickens this year. We purchased them at 3 weeks old and they are ready to be harvested at 10 weeks. If left whole, 60 chickens will take a lot of space in our freezer. After 10 weeks, our chickens average between 8 to 10 pounds. To reduce the amount of space required to freeze them, we freeze only the legs, the wings, and the breasts, and we freeze them into small little bags just like this. So here's the chickens, the Meat Kings, and here is our chicken legs, chicken wings, and the breast that we freeze, and we'll be boiling down these parts here into this can. So if you can see this, so we boil this down for like 3 to 4 hours, then we let it set for maybe 2 hours on the stove until we can handle it. I debone everything and drain all the chicken broth. It goes into this step here, so there's no bones or anything. So this is the broth and just the meat. This is the final product of our canning process, the chicken broth and the where I deboned the chicken, and I made chicken stew and it looks so good. Our little farm experiment was successful. We raised 500 pounds of chicken meat and we do not need to buy any chicken meat for a whole year or more. Here's all the chicken. And my husband is planning to make sausages out of the the hearts and the liver. And there's some more chicken underneath here. This is chicken and tomatoes from the garden, green onions from the garden, just a little bit of spice, cheese, and of course chicken. So I want to pick all these little pieces of meat off the bones. This is our chicken broth, and this is the chickens that we harvested tonight. And after we do this, I will bottle this tomorrow. So I just warmed this up in the microwave. It looks pretty good. If you like this video, please feel free to like and subscribe.